Good to go? Okay. So I'm going to show you two ways to verify that we're square. One method, so this is the plan view, or the view looking down upon the deck. So our joists are going to go in like this. I've drawn the back deck ledger, and I've left, because we're 1.5 inches long here, and I've shown that just to be specific, because in real life I'll show you how not to mess it up either. There's a couple ways. I'll try to run through this quick because we're going to go through it anyway in real life. But we can do a 3, 4, 5. So it's a 3, any increment of 3, any increment of 4, and this, when it's perfectly square, will be an increment of 5 at these intersections. So that's one way. Or the other way is, if you know that this dimension is, let's say, that 145, whatever, it doesn't matter what it is, as long as this dimension is the exact same as this dimension, and from here to here is the same as it is from here to here, then you can just do, you can measure crossways, and each dimension will be the exact same when it's a perfect square. Okay, so we're going to go through those in real life, and we'll see what's what.